Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is HP Deskjet 4310. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to scan documents with this printer to your mobile phone. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected to the same network. We connected both via wireless network, Wi-Fi network. You can also connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct without internet. But in this case, we connected both printer and mobile device via a Wi-Fi network. And the printer, it will show you the ink level and also show you the printer. This is HP app. And from this app, if you scroll down from the app, after you connected this printer to a Wi-Fi network with your mobile phone, if you scroll down from the app, it will show you features, scan documents, camera scan, print documents, print photos. We want to scan documents, so select scan document, and it will show you this interface of the app. First of all, open up the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left. This is A4 paper. Then close the scanner. From this HP Smart App scanner interface, go on top to select A4. Select A4, then you go back, then select source as glass scanner. If you are scanning with ADF, then you select document feeder. So it's currently glass scanner, then you go back. Resolution maximum with phone is 300 dpi. Then you go back. Color, we want to scan this in color, then you go back. And also make sure it's in document. If you are scanning photo, then you select photo. So then select scan. So this document is scanning. This is the document we scanned. And also make sure you select full so that it will capture all the document you scan. Once you scan the document, select full, then you select next. So this is the document we scanned. If you want to scan the second page, open the glass scanner, stick the next document you want to scan face down. You can do this as many as you like. Then close the scanner. Go on top, select add. Then the same features, make sure it's 300 dpi A4 paper, then you select scan. Then you select full to make sure you capture the documents. Then select next. So these are the documents we scan. If you are not happy with it, you select the three dots to edit it, replace it, or delete. But I'm happy with it. So select the three dots to edit it or replace it and select it again. So these are the documents we scanned. If you want to save this document, you select save. So you can give the document name if you like. And also file type. Make sure you select PDF, basic PDF. Make sure you select the file type as basic PDF, document size as A4, then you select save. Then it will take you to the file or folder where we want to save the document. So select save. Your file has been saved. Then you select close. Then if you want to print this document out, you select print preview. These are the documents we want to print out. We scan this document. It will show you the printer. Then you select how many copies, paper size, main tray, page, all, scroll down, select color, private pickup is off, orientation is automatic, then select more option, make sure you select document, quality is automatic, view page, then you go back, then select print. Then once the first document printed out, then you select resume button to continue. These are the documents we scanned and printed out single page. Now I want us to scan using ADF, automatic document feeder. So once you print the document, then you go back to the home page. Now if you want to scan using ADF, open the ADF, stick the document you want to scan, make sure the information is up on the ADF, and also remove the document on the glass scanner. So this is ADF. Then you select scan. Select A for 300 dpi. Go to the settings. It will show you auto enhance is on, auto heal is on. Then you go back. So go on top and select page size as A4, source, select automatic document feeder. Make sure you select automatic document feeder if you want to scan with ADF. Then you go back. Resolution 300 dpi is maximum and you want to scan this in color. Then you go back. Then select scan. This is the document we scanned. If you want to scan second page, for example, stick the document you want to scan on the ADF, then you select add, then select scan. So we got 2 pages documents. These are documents we scanned using ADF. So you can save this document like we did earlier and also print it out. If you want to share this document to somebody, you select share. If you select share, you save or give the document name. If you want to share it via email, give the document name, example. Then select file as basic PDF and also select the language and also file size. The actual size is 0.8 MB. You can select minimum 0.5 or small 0.3, so you can reduce the size. We want to have this in medium, for example. Then you select share. And when you select share, it gives you platforms you can share the file. It will give you the platform. You can select this via quick share, WhatsApp, secure folder, email, output, then you put your email, select email, and once you select email, the document will be attached to the email. So this document now is attached to my inbox. The document is attached to my inbox. You need to put the email address of the person you want to send this document, and once you put the email address of the person, then you put the subject, hi, put the subject, then you go on top and select. Once you put the email address of the person and put the address, then you select this share icon to send the document. So the file is now sent to my email. So these are ways to scan document using glass scanner and ADF. Save it to your mobile phone, print it out. Likewise, share this document to somebody via email. Thank you very much indeed.